Hello guys, today we'll see how we can configure an alarm in AWS CloudWatch. Uh, so let's start. For demo purpose. I've created one demo queue and I've pushed six messages inside that. So if we see in CloudWatch, we can use all metrics, Explorer or all metrics to see what all metrics are available for our resources. So if you see for demo, the same queue, these many of matrices are available. So these matrices comes to visible once there is some action in your AWS resources. Then these matrices are automatically visible. So let's start and set an alarm for the same. So if we create an alarm, we have to select matrix. So in this case, we'll select SQS and let us select a matrix as approx number of messages visible. Let's select this. Now if we come down, it is showing as current messages as 6. So let's, for demo purpose, let's select minimum level. And if we select 10 seconds or 30 seconds, it will give an error message like this, that for this particular matrices it should be 60 seconds minimum. So let's take a period of 1 minute. And here you can set a static threshold, or there can be anomaly detection. So you can set a range, and if some threshold is reached inside that range, then it will generate an alarm. So for demo purpose, let's select static and let's choose greater than threshold as 6. So if there would be greater than 6 message, then our alarm should be generated. Select next. So let's create an SNS topic, or you can select an existing one. So this is the default one, which is having this email as notification. If you do not have any SNS, you can create a new topic from here. So it will basically notify your alarm. Click on next. Specify an alarm name. Demo SQS alarm. Let's click on next. So it is showing threshold like red line as this. Let's click create alarm. So this alarm is created. Now let's push a message and see if alarm is generated. Demo alarm 7th. Let's send this message. Okay. Now if we see message available, so now the count is 7. So now starting from this time till 1 minute, it will observe the number of messages available in this queue and it will generate an alarm. So this is how we can create an alarm for any of the AWS resources. You can explore all the matrices of your AWS resources, corresponding matrices, and you can set an alarm. You can see in alarms, all alarms that are alarm state is okay. That means it is monitoring. Let's check in alarm section again. Yes, guys. So now you can see the alarm has been generated. Uh, if you scroll down, you can see that from 6 to 7, the threshold has been breached, and you will get all detail of your alarm. So thank you for watching.